Hey there, foodies. Today, we're going to dive into a mouth-watering mutton biryani recipe. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the star ingredient, mutton. We'll be using mutton for this recipe, as it's a traditional choice for biryani. Now, let's move on to the rice. We'll be using Sona Masuri rice, which is a popular choice for biryani. This rice is known for its aroma, texture, and flavor. Next, let's talk about the whole spices. We'll be using a blend of whole spices, including cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and bay leaves. These spices will add a rich and complex flavor to our biryani. Now, let's talk about the rice. We'll be using Jeera Samba rice, which is a variety of rice that is perfect for biryani. This rice is known for its long, slender grains and its ability to absorb flavors and spices. Lastly, let's talk about the meat. We'll be using mutton for this recipe, as it's a traditional choice for biryani. Mutton is a rich and flavorful meat that pairs perfectly with the spices and rice in this dish. Now, let's get cooking. First, we'll marinate the mutton in a blend of spices and yogurt. This will help to tenderize the meat and infuse it with flavor. Next, we'll cook the mutton in a mixture of oil and ghee. This will help to seal in the juices and create a rich, flavorful sauce. Once the mutton is cooked, we'll add the rice and cook it until it's tender and fluffy. We'll also add the whole spices to the pot, which will infuse the rice with their aroma and flavor. Finally, we'll garnish the biryani with fresh cilantro and serve it hot. And there you have it, folks. A delicious mutton biryani recipe that's sure to please your taste buds. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.